I can usually tell if someone is nervous without looking at them. I just listen to the last three words of every sentence. Have you noticed this? People begin their sentence with confidence, but by the end, their voice quietly disappears, like mine. Here's why it happens. When we are nervous, our brain is already thinking about the next sentence or wondering how people are reacting. So the energy leaves your voice before the sentence is actually over. And people notice that. Same words, same idea, completely different impression. People don't just hear your message, they hear how much you believe in it. So here's something to practice. Don't think about speaking louder. Think about finishing every sentence as if you are placing a full stop, not letting it trail away. Your last word deserves the same energy as your first. Executive presence isn't built by speaking more. It's built by completing your thoughts with confidence. Pay attention to how you begin. Listen to your last three words. They might be saying more about your confidence than the rest of your sentence. I'm going to give you a challenge today. Make sure you do it. Record yourself answering one question. Then don't listen to the whole answer. Listen only to the last three words. You'll immediately hear what I'm talking about. These small tips and techniques shape the way we communicate with people. So if you want to learn more, follow and subscribe to my channel and visit my website in the link given below.